Using sound to heal. Sound healing can be defined as the application of sacred sound to the human energy field in order to bring back harmony and balance where there are discord and imbalance. Bells, gongs, and cymbals are not only for rhythm, but for creating unusual tones, with a capacity to shatter old patterns within the physical body and within the subtle bodies as well. What makes sound sacred? It is understood by sound healers to be the context and intention. Historically, humans have created sacred sound in many ways, focusing their intention via ritual invocations, prayer, the calling in of power and protection from unseen spirits in other realms, and from gods and deities, etc. Jonathan Goldman, 1992, a prominent sound healer, musician, author, and teacher, expresses with a simple equation the essence of healing sound. Frequency plus intention equals healing. It is believed that sound is able to affect the human energy field because we are made of sound. Modern physics tells us that everything in the universe is made of vibrating energy, including the cells of our bodies. Everything that vibrates makes sound. The idea that the universe is not simply physical in nature, as Newtonian physics led us to believe, but is actually made of energy, stems from the work of Albert Einstein, Max Planck, Niels Bohr, and Werner Heisenberg, leading to the science of quantum theory. Stemming from this work, Bruce Lipton, developmental biologist, states in his book The Biology of Belief, 2005. Quantum physicists discovered that physical atoms are made up of vortices of energy that are constantly spinning and vibrating. Each atom is like a wobbly spinning top that radiates energy. Because each atom has its own specific energy signature, wobble, assemblies of atoms, molecules, collectively radiate their own identifying energy patterns. So every material structure in the universe, including you and me, radiates a unique energy signature. The fact that energy and matter are one and the same is precisely what Einstein recognized when he concluded that E equals mc squared. Simply stated, this equation reveals that energy E equals matter m mass, multiplied by the speed of light squared c squared. Einstein revealed that we do not live in a universe with discrete, physical objects separated by dead space. We are slowed down sound and light waves, a walking bundle of frequencies tuned into the cosmos. We are souls dressed up in sacred biochemical garments, and our bodies are instruments through which our souls play their music. The universe is one indivisible, dynamic whole in which energy and matter are so deeply entangled it is impossible to consider them as independent elements. Lipton, 2005.